for quarter. Either you do like this or you do like this. You bend your hand like this. Now we need brown a bit. See our puff puff. Fresh. Everybody they wait this puff puff. You don't understand. Guys, our puff puff don't ready. And they use left hand. Remove her. Use right hand. Cut her. I mean righter. Not a lefter. So you touch your hand for water. I'll be reducing the fire now. I want me small. I will make a make small. You get sometimes you go do like this, you make it small. If not for party where people go feel, you know go make a big. Do one at 2 kilo for this pot, eh? Tell me so you make this 2 kilo. You start on small, 2 kilo. You sell it, you find somewhere where you go they fry and they sell them. You know go they make money, where you go they shame. One loaf. I love this size. You see this size? I love it. Very round but puff. I love the size. But when you put that size, the ends are plenty. Chop on with beans. You can eat with stew. You can eat with fried fish. Guys, the fire is okay like this. See, guys, that's how I'm saying the mixture should not be strong. Because look at our puff puff. See. Look at our puff puff. Hey. Guys, see my pepper. I'm chopping with pepper. Puff and pepper. Hot puff. So nice. Very fresh. Good one. Okay. Both like this. Pepper. Oh, chargé en pepper.